What's up guys, welcome to Dimmy Fit Tips, and today we're just going to talk about being an explorer. What it means to go out, be more, achieve more, and inspire others. And that's another core value of what I want this channel to bring forward to you guys. It's not just all about lifting weights and being the biggest guy and the strongest guy at the gym, but also just to inspire people to do different things in their life. Like, you don't have to be a gym guy, you can just be someone that wants that degree, wants that job, wants to be successful in whatever path they choose. And that's what I want to inspire in people, to be more and do more, you know, just go out there and be that explorer. So another aspect I want to hit home is also mental health, going out with family and doing different things. And that's what I did previous weekend ago in Portland. Me and my girlfriend and her aunt, we went to Portland and we enjoyed ourselves. We did a 2-day trip and we just went as much places as possible. So you guys just sit back and enjoy and just look at our Portland trip in 3, 2, 1. Alright guys, so as you can see, we've made it to the Portland Boston Jerk, and trust me, it's awesome. Shout out to these biker guys who just come at the right moment when I was there. But yo, big up to them, you know. Food was great, didn't get to video it because yeah, finished eat it before time. So just enjoy the footage and give them a shout out next time you guys in Portland are planning a visit, you know, Boston Jerk.
Give me something. 65 meters down, world famous, you know?
Alright, so our second stop for the day is Blue Lagoon. And trust me guys, when I say the water is blue, it's like you being a child and teacher tells you, make the ocean, color the ocean, and you use the bluest crayon possible. That is what this looks like. It is awesome. The water is so clean, the water is so pretty. Yeah, and all these villas on the stretch of the land is awesome. Makes you want to be rich one day, to just have a place like that on this stretch of land, looking over this water and just drinking some nice cold beer. So Ricky, our tour guide, he took us to Monkey Island. So Monkey Island is just a nice little spot in the middle of all of this water body, where you can just come off the boat, sit on the land, enjoy some nice cold beer, chat with some friends, and just take a little dip in the water too when you're ready. And it's awesome. As you can see, Odisha here on Monkey Island, monkeying around. It couldn't be any better than this. And give it a try next time you guys are in Portland, or if you're coming to Jamaica, yo, definitely give Blue Lagoon a link up, you know. So yo, the night draw close and we were extremely hungry and we decided to stop by Great Huts. Food was great, and as you can see, we were entertained all night. We even got up, me and Odisha, and we started to dance with them, and didn't get that footage though because my battery died, but I'm glad that you guys didn't get that footage, you know. So yeah, we're on to the next day right now. Coconut, eating the jelly.
Yeah man, I can't go and leave right on my road. We have water for you, we have food for you. And one thing we have for you, the internet.
Oh God, should I did
Not dead, we don't.
Oh, zip a go on, so.
Not true.
Zip.
One bag of
In the
tea.
morning, yeah. I'm a co-worker, my guys. What's up, John?
Yeah?
Coming to work tomorrow?
Oh, my man. Did in a white t-shirt, we did it.
Morning.
Oh,
Yeah, what? But me no fake. But knock off t-shirt. Tours.
Hi.
All tours. Yes. Welcome to Reach Falls. Second, well, my third falls. Duns River, YS, and no Reach Falls, but we just reach. Yeah.
Picture everything.
Everything. I pose. Everywhere, not you. Hello, sir. 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 Stop me for an interview, sir. 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 Come, sir. 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 Oh boy. No. Blue water with algae. Look at that blue. Blue guys. Blue water. Jam rock, Jamaica lifestyle. Give me 50 tips. With Miss Hutchinson.
Then watching the steps.
Yeah, watch you. To watch me. Watching the steps. Bamboo tree. Anyways guys, next time we see we're down at the falls here.
Okay.
Some climbing, some adventuring. We are finally here. Have to do it? Come on, girl. More at the GoPro. What? I can't even see that. See me. Jag får upp här. Woo! Yo! Cold outside. If me have the iPhone, like this one waterproof. So this is Reach Falls, guys, and yeah. Here at Benefit Tips is not all about going to the gym. It's just going out with family and friends and enjoying yourself, you know, all about the mental wellness, which is also a part of the channel, mental fitness. So anyways, I'm going to get a massage right now, you know? Nature's massage. Oh, oh my god. I look on now. Alright. What are you doing?
And then we have to go around the curve and then stay on the road and then we have to take
okay, then what am I doing? Or this someone there?
they're trained.
Or this someone there?